Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
I get a food processor and we want to put in about 300 to 350 grams of waffle cones. Just crush them a little bit so they'll fit in there. Just fit, and add between 2 and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. And we're done. Just joking. Now we just want to pulse this until it's fine crumbs. Now add about 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Now pour the mixture in here. If you find it's too much, then you can just get a bigger tin. About 10, 11 or 12 inch is a good size. People usually get the most out of those. This one I think is a 9-incher. That should suffice. So we just flatten it down. Get something like a glass with a flat side. That way you can actually get around the edges as well. Now preheat your oven to about 180 degrees Celsius or about 350 to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Pop this in the oven just for about 10 minutes and then we'll take it out and get on to the next part. Alright, now that's baked, we'll just leave it here. We want this to cool completely before we get on to the next step. Get a large mixing bowl, put in 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Now you want to get about 400 grams of strawberries and you want to puree them. Add the pureed strawberries straight in. Then add about a teaspoon of vanilla extract as well and mix this together. You can mix it, you can whisk it, doesn't really matter. Whatever's easier. Get a large mixing bowl. Put in about 500 mils or so of thickened cream. Now we just want to beat the living crap out of it until stiff peaks form. Now add the whipped cream to here and fold it through. You can add it in one go or you can just add it in 2 or 3 stages. Just cut up some strawberries as well, not much, just about 50 to 100 grams. That's if you want some chunks of strawberry in there, just cut them up into small bits. Now that the base is cooled, pour the mixture straight in. Now just pop this in the freezer. At least 6 hours, preferably overnight.
Simple